Running through the sprinkler on a hot summer day is a fond childhood memory for many of us. But you know, sprinklers aren't just for fun and games. In fact, just like we need to hydrate our body, we also have to take care of our lawn and gardens. Brad Wardle of Orbit B-hyve Smart Home is here with us. Hey, how are you?
Good, thanks for having me.
All right, no, thanks for being here, because I want to know what the buzz is all about, huh? Well, we're here in South Florida. You know it rains a lot.
Yes.
Okay, so sometimes we really don't even need to water the lawn. But what I heard regarding your company is it keeps track of the weather and it thinks for me?
It doesn't do too much thinking. We don't want to scare anyone here. But yes, it does. It's a smart sprinkler controller, so it does a lot of the thinking for us in terms of how long or how often to water. It's hourly tracking the weather. It takes into account humidity, temperature, rainfall, all of these elements, and then it changes the watering based on those things. So if it's hot, it will apply more water. If it's going to rain, it will shut off for you. If it's in the colder seasons, it just knows not to water. Seasons change. It's not the same in the spring as it is in the summer or the fall. We used to say set it and forget it was a bad thing in watering because it wastes water to just set your timer, leave it alone, water during the rain. Now set it and forget it is actually a good thing with a B-hyve timer. Overall savings that customers can get from putting in a B-hyve smart sprinkler controller is about 30 to 50%.
I have an underground irrigation system. Can you show me how to set up the timer?
Absolutely. Here's the B-hyve XR Smart Sprinkler Controller. Really simple to install. You can put this up in about 10 to 15 minutes. You can see what the time is when it's going to water next. Also, it's got this light ring indicator. This will tell you if it's in a delay, if it's disconnected from Wi-Fi. If you press and hold that button, it will do a manual watering. Let it count down. It'll let you select a zone or do all zones.
Cool.
And here it goes. It'll turn green and indicate your watering.
And this is waterproof?
Indoor, outdoor mountable, yes.
Brad, what about people who use above ground sprinklers?
Most people in the U.S. actually don't have an in-ground system. And so for those people, we have the B-hyve XD hose faucet version. It's just like the underground version, except for it connects to your faucet. Has all the same smarts, still tracks the weather, still control it with your app, is battery operated, simple to use, simple to install.
How do I control it from my phone? I am not tech savvy.
You just go to the B-hyve app, you can see what's watering next, you can see if it's in a rain delay, and you can just turn it on manually by pressing the water manually button, and there it goes.
Oh my gosh. I can do this from poolside, if I'm taking the girls to school, if I'm in my office, if I'm at the supermarket.
It's Wi-Fi connected, so you can get to it from anywhere in the world.
I know you can purchase this at Amazon, Lowe's, and Home Depot. Where else can we go?
You can go to orbitonline.com. This is EPA WaterSense certified. You can go there, check your zip code to see if there's a utility rebate in your area.
Simple, easy, and a beautiful lawn.
Absolutely.
And if you'd like more information on any of this, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.